Hello everyone, welcome to Saturday CSAT session. Today we are going to learn the topic percentage, proportions and ratios, and this is a very consistent topic that has been asked in UPSC. Almost every year a question has been seen from this particular section leaving 2023. In this particular question we are going to learn the ratios, how to apply them, the proportions and the percentages. So I have done a little bit of research with respect to the previous year questions. If you see altogether in the last 11 years, 41 questions have been asked from this particular section. But in 2023, there was no question. But it does not mean that in the coming years, there won't be any question. See, this also shows the disruptive trend in the 2023 year, making it little difficult. See, if you prepare from this topic, then on an average, two to three questions can come. So maybe in the coming years we may see questions because 2023 there was no questions. Okay. So with this little bit of analysis, and here the type of questions that are asked is some percentage will be given or some ratio will be given. On the basis of it, some information we have to find. That is how all the questions have been framed. Let us take some of the previous year questions and solve them. From there we can get an idea related to it. As I told you, I have already recorded this session, but the voice got corrupted. I'm re-recording it so that it reaches you on every Saturday. Okay, so let's begin this session. Say in first question, in a rare coin collection, there is one gold coins for every three non-gold coins. So let's say G is the gold coins and N is the non-gold coins, and it is saying that they are in the ratio of 1:3. Okay, that is one gold coin for every three non-gold coins. And 10 more gold coins are added to the collection, and the ratio of the gold coins to non-gold coins becomes 1:2. So based on the information, we need to find total number of coins in the collection, right? So earlier given information, G to N is equal to 1:3. From here we can write N is equal to 3 times of gold coins. Okay, this is number one. Similarly, second time it is given that when 10 more coins are added to the gold, then gold to non-gold, the ratio becomes 1:2. So from here, what we can say, 2Z plus 20 equal to N. ये वाला लिख सकते हैं, equation number 2. Now what we have to do, simply use the value of N here, that is 2Z plus 20 is equal to 3 times of G from equation number 1. From here, if we calculate, the G is going to be 20. That means number of gold coins is equal to 20. But what we need is not gold coins. ठीक है, we need total number of coins, वो भी updated वाला चाहिए. Updated वाला चाहिए मतलब इस equations में हम रख के n का value find करना है and यहाँ से g का value आएगा. So updated total number of gold coins will be initial 20 gold coins plus 10 more gold coins are added. This is the updated number. So updated number of gold coins is equal to 30. Obviously, the updated number of gold coins has increased because we have taken G as the initial one. Okay, so this is first. Next, using the value of G here, if we find N is equal to 20 into 2, 40 plus 20, that is 60. So present there are 60 non-gold coins and 30 gold coins after addition of 10 gold coins. So total number of gold and non-gold coins will be 90. That is the required number. Okay, this is how we calculate. Let's go to the next one. Question is, out of 120 applications for the post of 70 are males and 80 of them are having the driver's license, but 80 के बारे में नहीं बता रहे कि whether they are males and females, दोनों combined है. And what is the ratio between minimum to maximum number of males having driver's license? देखो जो दिया हुआ information है 120 applications आया है for a post, out of which 70 are males. So इसका मतलब है कि बाकी बचा हुआ females है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई other genders के बारे में बात नहीं किया है. So 70 males and 50 females. And another information is given, out of which 80 members are having license, driver's license is there. Okay, but out of this 80 members, we don't know whether it is males or females. And the condition is we need to find the minimum to maximum ratio of males having the driver's license. So that's where we have to apply the information given here. ठीक है, let's take. See, अगर maximum number चाहिए, maximum number of males with driver's license, तो कितना मिलेगा? जो 80 है उसमें से 70 की 70 males if they have driver's license, that's when we will be having maximum number. So out of this 80, 70 males are having driver's license and remaining 10 will be females. This is the case when you will have maximum number of males with driver's license DL, right? Similarly, if you wanted to find minimum number of males with the driver's license, out of this 80, if all the female members are having the driver's license, that will give you least for the males. That means if 50 females are having the driver's license, that leaves only 30 for the males, and out of this 70, 30 males, which is the minimum number, will be having the driver's license. So now we need to find this ratio of minimum to maximum, that is 30 to 70, which is 3 to 7. The answer is C, simple. Now let us go to the next question. Question is, the tank full petrol in Arun's motorcycle lasts for 10 days. If he starts using 25% more every day, how many days will the tank full petrol lose? See, simple. Let's take 100 liters are there in the full tank. That is the full tank capacity. Just assume. Then if it is taking 10 days to consume, it means per day कितना ले रहा है वो? Per day it will be consuming 10 liters. Simple. Now instead of 10 liters, अगर 25% increase कर दिया, so 10 में से 25% is 2.5 liters. 2.5 into 4 is 10. So that means now the new consumption is doing every day after hiking of 25% is 10 plus 2.5 liters, that is 12.5 liters. So every day he is using 12.5 liters and the capacity is still same. So now the new number of days, okay, number of days, this 100 liters is going to last is equal to 100 liters divided by per day consumption, that is 12.5 liters, which is going to be what? 200 divided by 25. I'm just multiplying it in order to make it whole. So 200 by 25 means 25 times 4 is 100, 25, 8 is 200. So 8 will be the new number of days. This is how we calculate it. Clear? Next, one more question. A and B decides to travel from one place X to Y by bus. A has 10 rupees with him, and he finds that it is 80% of the bus fare for both the persons. And B finds that he has 3 rupees with him and he handed over to A. Now in this context, out of the given options, which one is right? Let's say A के पास कितना पैसे हैं? 10 रुपया है, 10 rupees. Now this 10 rupees is how much percentage? 80% of total fare. ठीक है? From here, can we calculate the total fare? Let's say A is the total fare. Then A into 80% is equal to 10 rupees. So A is equal to 10 rupees. ठीक है? Divided by 80%. 80% मतलब 80 divided by 100. तो यहाँ पर भेजेंगे तो it will be 100 divided by 80. So if we do the calculations, this will be 100 by 8, 50 by 4, 25 by 2, that is 12.5 rupees. So उन दोनों को, both of them, if they wanted to buy the ticket and go from X to Y, they need 12.5 rupees. But A has only 10 rupees. But 3 rupees has been handed over to him by B. अब A के पास कितना है? 13 रुपया है. टिकट कितना लगता है? 12.5 rupees. So he will be left with 0.5 rupees. अब देखते हैं. Now A has money just enough to buy. No, थोड़ा ज्यादा है. Still needs 2 rupees. No. After buying the 2 tickets, A will be left with 50 paise. This is right. So the answer is going to be C here. ठीक है, simple. Next, in a test, a candidate attempted only 8 questions and secured 50% marks in each of these questions. If he obtained a total of 40% in the test, and all the questions in the test carry equal marks. तो कितने क्वेश्चंस है, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक सी each question carries 2 marks. जैसे यूपीएससी में जीएस पेपर में जैसे 2 मार्क्स होता है ऐसे मान लेते हैं. लेट अस अज्यूम, ठीक है, assume each question has 2 marks. Now according to the given question he has attempted 8 questions, and when he attempts 8 questions he is supposed to get 16 marks, but his efficiency is only 50%. मतलब आधा रॉन्ग किया है आधा सही किया है, यहाँ पर कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग का ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. सो डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करेंगे तो ही हैज गॉट 8 मार्क्स. ठीक है, सिंपल. सो 8 marks corresponds to 40% of total marks. That's the information given in the second sentence. So that means 40% is equal to 8. यहां से हम 100% कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So 100% चाहिए तो हमें क्या करना होगा, you just have to multiply it. So this will be 8 into 100 divided by 40. ठीक है, simple. So this will be ones, twos, that is 20 marks. So अगर पूरा पेपर में 20 मार्क्स है तो then 40% मार्क्स will come to be 8 marks. अब 20 मार्क्स टोटल पेपर में है, but each question has 2 marks. That means कितने क्वेश्चंस है, just have to divide it by 2, क्योंकि हमने assume 2 marks किया था ना. So divide it by 2, so that will come around to be 10 questions. So in a test, if 10 questions are there, then all the conditions will satisfy and the answer is going to be 10. Simple. Now let's go to another question. See, the monthly income of Peter and Paul are in the ratio of 4:3. Their expenses are in the ratio of 3:2. If each saves 6,000 rupees at the end of the month, their monthly incomes are respectively. Simple. Let's take X is their income. Then what will become, what will be the condition according to it? Peter to Paul, monthly incomes will be 4x to 3x. Similarly expenses, this is income. ठीक है, similarly expenses की बात करते हैं. Expenses is equal to, let's say y is the expense, then 3y is to 2y बनेगा. अब savings की बात करते हैं तो savings is what? Income minus expenses. So that means in case of Peter's savings is equal to 4x is the income minus 3y is the expenses. Similarly, Paul's savings is equal to 3x is the income minus 2y is the expenses. But it is given that both of them are saving 6,000. That means 4x minus 3y is equal to 6,000 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 6,000. अब आपके पास दो इक्वेशंस है विद 2 वेरिएबल्स. सिंपली सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशंस. माइनस करेंगे x minus y is equal to 0, x equal to y. Now x equal to y आ गया. So if you substitute x equal to y anywhere, यहाँ पर भी रखेंगे. Say 4x minus 3y is equal to 6,000. That is the equation here. So if you put x equal to y, then 4x minus 3x is equal to 6,000. X is equal to 6,000 rupees. So x का वैल्यू यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, क्योंकि हमें मंथली इनकम ही चाहिए. So this will be 24,000 for Peter and 18,000 for Paul. See, this may be in multiplication of these amounts, multiplication of these 6,000s. So हमें ट्रायल एंड एरर में देखना है, but luckily the very numbers are available, 24,000 and 18,000. That will be the correct answer. अगर ये नहीं होता तो इसको डबल करके देखेंगे, ट्रिपल करके देखेंगे. That's how we will be going further. ठीक है. Now moving on to the next question. The monthly average salary paid to all the employees of a company are 5,000. This is the, see, average बेस पे भी क्वेश्चन है ये. ठीक है, आई थिंक दिस इज एवरेज क्वेश्चन. या एवरेज क्वेश्चन. ओ परसेंटेज पूछ रहे इसलिए इट हैज बीन केप्ट इन द परसेंटेज. ठीक है. सो एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एवरेज एंड परसेंटेज. So all the salaries paid to the employees average is 5,000 and the monthly average salary paid to the males and females are 5200, 4200 respectively. So percentage of males in this company we need to find. See, let's take M is the number of males. Okay. Then total salary paid to only males will be equal to 5200. This is the average amount paid to the males into M. Similarly, if F is the total number of females, then total salary paid to females will be equal to 4200 into F. And total amount of salary paid to all employees क्या होगा 5000 into M plus F, males plus females. अब this entire amount should be equal, right? See, जितना amount males and females को पे किया है, that must be equal to total amount of salary paid, providing there is no third genders, ऐसे information दिया नहीं है. So using the same 5200 M plus 4200 F equal to 5000 M plus 5000 F. expand कर दिया था बस simply. So अगर two zeros gone, then we will be left with 52M minus 50M. Then it will be 8M is equal to, sorry, 2M na? 52 minus 50, that is 2M is equal to 42. 50 minus 42, that is 8F. That is M is equal to 4F. तो क्या पता चल रहा है? For each male there are 4 females. So M divided by F is equal to 4:1. So that means if we add 5 में से आपका 4 proportions males जा रहा है. That means what? कितना percentage आता है? ये 80% आता है. Simple. So the answer will be 80%. Next, let us go to the next question. A student has got 40% marks to pass in an examination. Suppose he gets 30 marks and fails by 30 marks. Then what is the maximum marks in the examination? Simple. He got 30 marks and he failed by 30 more marks. So that means total 60 marks are required to pass in the examination. This is equal to 40% of total marks. वही तो information दिया हुआ है. इस information को use करके आप ये minimum marks in the examination को पता करके मुझे बताओ. ठीक है, ये आप कमेंट सेक्शन पे बताओ. ठीक है, सो दैट मतलब सिंपल है, ये वाला हमने पढ़ रखा था. जस्ट यू हैव टू पुट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ठीक है, देखो व्हाट आई हैव डन. ही हैज गॉट 30 मार्क्स एंड ही फेल्ड बाय 30 मार्क्स. सो दैट मींस टोटल 30 प्लस 30 दैट इज 60 मार्क्स इज इक्वल टू पास मार्क्स. ठीक है, राइट. सो पास मार्क्स का परसेंटेज कितना था? टोटल मार्क्स में से 40% इक्वल टू पास मार्क्स. सो दिस 60 इज इक्वल टू 40% ऑफ टोटल मार्क्स. हमें फाइंड करना है ये टोटल मार्क्स को. ठीक है, दैट मींस 40% इक्वल टू 60 मार्क्स. उस बेसिस पे आप कैलकुलेट करके 100% दैट इज मैक्सिमम मार्क्स कितना आता है वो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. हाँ, let us look at next question. Raju has 9,000 with him and he wants to buy a mobile handset, but he finds that he has only 75% of the amount. That means उनके पास जो 9,000 है that is amount to 75% only. अगर 100% चाहिए तो that is cost of the mobile is equal to 100% चाहिए. 75% is 9,000. रिमाइनिंग 25% ऐड करेंगे. दैट इज 9,000 इंटू 100 डिवाइडेड बाई 75. और सिंपली देखो 3/4 से ना 75 मतलब वो 9,000 बन रहा है. ऑब्वियसली 25% बढ़ाना मतलब इसको 3,000 और ऐड करना होगा. ठीक है, और इफ यू वांटेड टू कैलकुलेट यू कैन कैलकुलेट लाइक दिस आल्सो. दिस विल बी 3,000. ठीक है, 3,000 इंटू 4 12,000 रुपीज बनेगा. ठीक है, सो 12,000 इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मोबाइल. बट उनके पास तो 9,000 ही है. तो उन्होंने क्या किया था? 2 से 2,000 उधार लिया है. सो 9,000 प्लस 2,000 दिया है. टोटल इनके पास 11,000 हो गया. सो ऑन दिस बेसिस लेट अस लुक. राजू स्टिल डजंट हैव एनफ मनी टू बाई इट. करेक्ट ना? इनके पास 1,000 रुपीज और कम पड़ रहा है बिकॉज मोबाइल इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट 12,000. Raju has exactly same amount required to buy. No, Raju has amount same enough amount तो है नहीं. enough amount तो है नहीं. insufficient amount है. So the ये विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. दिस इज हाउ वी कम टू द करेक्ट कंक्लूजन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, a sum of 2500 is distributed among x, y, z in the ratio of 1:2, 3:4, 1/2, 3/4 is to 5/6. What is the difference between maximum share and minimum share? See, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो जहां पर आपका रेशियोस फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स में होता है. See, the trick is you just have to make it whole. होल बनाने के लिए क्या करना होगा, जो डिनोमिनेटर्स में है इनका एलसीएम फाइंड करो और उतना एलसीएम से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. दैट इज 2, 4, 6 का एलसीएम क्या बनता है 12. 6 into 2 12 बनता है. सो 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 12 into 1/2 दैट इज 6. 12 into 3/4 3. 4 1s 4 3s. 3 into 3 9 is 2. 6 1s 6 2s. 2 into 5 10. सो एक्चुअल रेशियो जो है 6:9:10. सो इस रेशियो में पैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. एंड टोटल हाउ मच इज देयर 2500 इज देयर. सो मैक्सिमम किसको जाएगा, ऑब्वियसली जिसको 10 प्रोपोर्शंस मिल रहा है उसको चला जाएगा. मिनिमम 6 प्रोपोर्शंस जो मिल रहा है उनको चला जाएगा. ठीक है. सो टोटल कितने इससे बन गया, ये 10 + 9 + 6 25 इससे में बांटना है, तब जाकर इस रेशियो में आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. सो 2500 का 25 से मतलब एक हिस्से का कितना बनता है 100 रुपया. So on this basis, to the x 600 rupees will come, to the y 900 rupees will come, to the z 1000 rupees will come. आप ऐड करके देखो, ये 2500 हो गया ना, और they are exactly in the ratio which is given. So maximum amount कितना है 1000 rupees गया, minimum amount कितना गया 600 गया, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या आएगा 400. This is how we solve this problem. Simple. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, ये पाई डायग्राम shows the percentage distribution of proteins, water and other dry elements in the human body. Given that protein corresponds to 16% and water corresponds to 70%, if both protein and other dry elements corresponds to P percentage, then what is the central angle of this section representing P on the pie diagram? ऐसे क्वेश्चन हम डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन में करते हैं. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. ऐसे ट्राइंगल पाई डायग्राम है, सेंटर पे वी नो 360 डिग्रीज होता है. दिस 360 डिग्रीज इज इक्वल टू 100%. ठीक है. उसमें भी दे दिया है कि 70% जो है वो वाटर है, चला गया. सो हमें ये 30% में इंटरेस्टेड है. सो इसमें भी क्या दिया है 16% जो है वो प्रोटीन है. सो बचा हुआ ड्राई एलिमेंट कितना होगा, दिस विल बी 14%. सिंपल. So together both of them have been kept as the P percentage. मतलब हिडन बताया है, वैसे हमें पता है. So this 30% is calling it as P percent. So P is equal to 30%. Now आपको 30% से करस्पॉन्डिंग कितना एंगल बनता है वो ढूंढना है. सिंपल. ठीक है. So 360 डिग्री इक्वल टू 100%. So उसी बेसिस पे आप 30% का कितना एंगल बनता है वो ढूंढकर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ. ठीक है. सो 2 things you have to do it in the comment section. I'll check it. ठीक है. That's it for this particular session. I hope it is useful to you. Practice as many questions as possible. You can find some more questions. I have taken only some selected questions. You can find some more questions in the previous year papers, and also practice as many questions as possible. And if this session is useful, simply like the video and share it with your friends and fellow aspirants. And subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon so that you can get each and every update that we post on this channel. Okay? Thank you very much guys. See you in the next session with another Saturday CSAT. Till then, practice well. Happy learning. Bye bye everyone.